In the intricate world we navigate, physical assets form the cornerstone of both personal wealth and business operations. These tangible items, ranging from the land beneath our feet to the vehicles that transport us, are far more than mere possessions. They encapsulate investments, resources, and the very tools that propel the machinery of our lives and the economy forward. Real estate, machinery, vehicles, these pillars of physical assets represent substantial capital and operational value. Their significance transcends ownership, impacting personal financial growth and business productivity. Understanding these assets, recognizing their diversity, and appreciating their integral role is the bedrock of effective asset management. As we explore investment strategies and maintenance in ensuing segments, remember, the essence lies in not merely holding but in nurturing these assets for future prosperity. Embarking on the journey of asset management necessitates a deep understanding of its effective strategies, from the act of managing, investing in physical assets, to their maintenance. These practices form a holistic approach towards augmenting tangible value. At its core, effective asset management emphasizes the importance of astute resource allocation to enhance the longevity and productivity of assets. It balances the maximization of utility against minimizing costs over an asset's life cycle. Investment in physical assets, such as real estate or technology, represents a strategic endeavor to bolster your portfolio. It's an exercise in not just acquisition but in comprehending their market dynamics and integration into your broader investment philosophy. The pillar of asset maintenance champions the perpetual enhancement and preservation of asset value. Consistent upkeep not only extends the lifespan of an asset but ensures its optimal performance and reliability. It heralds a proactive maintenance approach, where strategic enhancements and regular inspections avert value degradation. As we further delve into the specifics of asset maintenance, anticipate a comprehensive understanding of how to preserve and increase the value of varied assets through tailored strategies. Within the dynamic realm of asset management, grasping the intricate nature of physical assets and their specific maintenance strategies is crucial for enduring value preservation. Every asset, from the concrete stability of real estate to the personal allure of collectibles, narrates a unique tale of utility and worth. Yet, this narrative can falter without meticulous care and strategic planning. Tailored upkeep is indispensable, ensuring real estate's allure, machinery's efficiency, and the enhanced market value of collectibles. This approach not only protects but can elevate the value of these assets over time. Concluding our exploration, asset value preservation emerges as a lively journey, requiring continuous vigilance and adaptability. Recognizing the distinct maintenance needs of each asset allows for a crafted strategy that fosters sustainable wealth and operational excellence. Let this insight steer your investment strategies, enriching your legacy through the growth and enduring utility of your assets.